One of my all-time favorite recipes that we can up is the peach pie filling. It makes peach pie amazing. It makes ice cream amazing. I mean, everything. Well, the other day I decided to try it in cobbler, and so now I have brand new peach pie cobbler, and it shows you another way to use your peach pie filling. For this, you'll want to start with 1/2 of a cup of butter, and you put it in a 9 by 13 inch pan. We'll put that in the oven at 350 degrees until it melts. While we've got the butter melting, we're gonna go ahead and combine all of our ingredients for the batter. Now you wanna start with 1 cup of sugar, an egg, and 2/3 a cup of milk. We'll mix that together nicely. And then we'll add 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I like to just kind of disperse it well when I'm putting it in, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. So mix that together. It's a pretty liquid batter. It's kind of like a cake batter. If there's a couple of lumps in there, it's no big deal. Now we just have to wait for the butter. It's a good time to clean up. Butter is all done melting and it's ready for our batter. So we're gonna go ahead and put the batter in, and you just kind of want to put it in the middle. Don't mix it in with that melted butter at all. The nice thing about that melted butter is it makes the edges of this nice and crispy and buttery tasting. It's so good. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add the peach pie filling. And you just kind of want to put little blobs of it, I suppose, for lack of a better word, all around. If you put it all in one spot, it would just push all of the batter out of the way, and that's not quite what you want. You want it to be this nice little layer on the top. But of course it's a liquid, so it's going to kind of go around it, which is fine. It'll be so good. I only have 2 more jars of my peach pie filling left, and when we did this the other day, I actually didn't think that I had any. I thought I was using the last one, and the kids were so sad because they really wanted me to make some more. So when I realized I had 2 more jars, I thought it'd be a good time to do a video so that the kids could have some. We'll put this back in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. Peach cobbler is all done. I can't wait to cut it up and share it with the family. I'll have to make sure I save some for my husband. He comes home at lunchtime and he'll want some too.